Hi everybody, we are back and I am giving notes on on worksheets G, H, and I, rather than go into the notes packet that I gave you and jump around and skip around a bunch. I just decided to show a couple of examples from each of these worksheets to be able to help you get started. So one thing that will be really helpful for this, in fact essential to do this, is your graphing calculator. So you'll see me go back and forth between the screens for the graphing calculator and the home worksheets G, H, and I. So what I'd like to do is just look at something simple like the sine of 79 degrees. If you want to do that on your calculator, you need to hit the mode button and make sure that your calculator is in degree mode. You'll do that when you're given something in degrees and I want degrees as an answer. We'll look at radians in a little while, but for now, make sure that your calculator is in degree mode, and then you can quit out of there and you can hit sine 79, enter, and you will get an answer, negative 0.4441. Okay, now, if you want to find something like the cotangent of 199 degrees, and here in number 5, 62 minutes and 44 seconds, well, cotangent is the reciprocal of tangent. So what I need to do is take the tangent of 199 degrees, 62 minutes, and 44 seconds, and then take that, raise that to the negative 1, because that would mean flipping that fraction over. So I want to raise that to the negative 1, meaning find the reciprocal. On the calculator, here's how you do that. You're going to type in tangent, because cotangent is related to tangent. You're going to type in 199. See that angle above the apps button. You'll hit second, apps, and there's the degree button at number 1. 199 degrees. I forgot what it was. 62 minutes and 44 seconds. Okay, 62 second angle minutes, right there, and 44. Now for seconds, you have to go to the alpha and down here to the plus key, I believe. Yes, to get the seconds, hit enter. And actually come out of these parentheses now, and then hit the x to the negative 1 button. That's going to take the whole thing and raise it to the negative 1. What you are not doing is hitting second tan negative 1. That is very different. That is the inverse tangent function, and inverses and reciprocals are not the same thing. We will talk more about the inverse tangent function later on, but for now, don't use that button. So delete that. Now I can hit enter, and I get that the cotangent of 199 degrees, 62 minutes, and 44 seconds is negative 0.6192. Okay, the rest of these are pretty straightforward. For something that's given in radians, for example, 17, if I want the square root of the tangent of 2.6, well, I need to make sure that my calculator is in radian mode. Make sure that's highlighted. Quit out of there and find the square root of the tangent of, what was that? Oops. Here we go. Sorry, having difficulties here. Of 2.6. And close parentheses, that answer, there is no real answer. Let's talk about why that is. Why would there not be a tangent at 2.6? Okay, so there's something happening here at 2.6 radians that I can't take the square root of that. It doesn't like. Why? Take a look, see if you can come up with the answer for why there is no real answer. We'll talk about this a little bit more in class, but I'd like to challenge you to see if there's a reason why. All right, here's part 1 of the calculator instructions for worksheet G.